Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to invest in Apple stock on eToro step by step. First open the eToro app and log into your account. Then you will get here and next tap on the search bar and start typing the name of the stock you want to buy. Apple, click on it and now tap the trade button to start your purchase. Here, first of all, you should decide how much money you would like to invest. And after that, you can even adjust a few settings. For example, you can set a stop loss price, which tells eToro to automatically sell the stock if its value drops to that level. But it's possible to set it after the purchase as well. Now, leverage is optional, but keep in mind the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. Personally, I leave it at 1x. And finally, click on buy. And congratulations, you are now an Apple shareholder. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading and may the bull market be with you.